So, welcome to all Group 1 services aspirants. TSAT is prestigiously conducting the guidance classes for the Group 1 service aspirants. So, among the syllabi, we have logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, data interpretation is one of the concept. So, in the prelims, out of 13 chapters, this is one of the chapter. In main paper, it is a 5th paper. So, this is the most important for all the aspirants, especially for non-mathematics background. They have to do little bit of hard work when you compare with the mathematics background students. So, I hope after this guidance classes, definitely everyone will be perfect in all these. Okay, among the various concepts in analytical and logical reasoning, we have coding, decoding, series, classification, blood relation, like nearly 15 concepts are here. So, coding and decoding is a very simple. At the same time, when you observe the previous papers, from the analysis of the previous papers, at least 2 or 3 questions comes from the coding and decoding. So, it's a good chance to everyone, because Telangana government announced 510 posts. So, 510 multiplied with 50, approximately 26,000 people will qualify for the mains examination. So, nearly 4 to 5 lakhs people will write the examination. Just 26,000 people will qualify for the mains examination. So, the competition is very high. So, scoring each and every mark is very important. As you know that there are 150 questions for 150 minutes. In 1 minute you are going to answer each question. That's a very, very important. So, to read the question, it takes more than 20 seconds. So, speed and accuracy is very important, presence of mind is very important, examination management is very important. So, you have to integrate all these things. So, here I am going to give some simple tips to do the coding and decoding in a very simple manner. Okay. So, generally for coding and decoding, so there is letter based coding, number based coding, letter and number based coding will be there. So, here so coding means there are in English alphabet there are 26 letters. So, you have to write all the letters from A to Z. Means if you give the position number for A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, D as 4, then the position number for Z is 26. Means once you write the letters from A to Z, the position number of A is 1 and the position number Z is 26. So, here the position number is very important. For example, if you want some case, if you want to identify which is the 10th one, so 10th letter means you have to say J, which is the 19th letter you have to say S. Okay, so there are some laws, there are some techniques. I am going to discuss all this. So, every day, so what you have to do means here, write all the letters from A to Z and give the position number. That kind of practice is very, very important. So, and reverse order also is very important. Okay, now we will see the reverse order. The position of alphabets from the end means from Z to A. So, here Z is numbered as the position number as 1 and Y as 2, X as 3 and A position number is 26. So, it is very important to all of you, you have to write the alphabets from A to Z and Z to A. If you see that M and N, and so if you see that previous one, so when you see the M is 13th position from when you write from A to Z. When you write Z to A, the nth one is a 13th position. So, this is very, very important. So, you have to write from A to Z and Z to A and you have to know the position number. For example, if you want to know when you write the reverse order, if you want to know the position of that one, position number, what is it? For example, if you want to say as C. See what is the position number when you write the reverse order. The very simple thing is just you have to write it as 27. Actually, when you write from A to Z, what is the position of C is 3. So 27 minus 3, that is 24. That is 24 is the position when you write the letters from Z to A. So very simple one. This is a key area, key concept to understand the coding and decoding. So if you want to know the position number when you write in reverse order from Z to A, what you have to do means simply subtract actual position number, means when you write from A to Z, that position number will be subtracted from 27. So you will get the position number exactly. For example, if you take A, means what is the actual position number of A is 1. So 27 minus 1, that is 26. So 26 is the position when you write from Z to A, then A, the position is at 26th place. Is it clear? So like you have to, what you have to do means 27 minus that actual position number. Okay. Now, so here I am writing, so A is A, B, C, D. I have given the both the orders, means in the same place. Both the orders means here from A to Z and Z to A. So you know the position numbers, correct? So to remember all this, don't by heart. So if you by heart, it's very difficult to recollect all the information. So for that, I will give that the position number same and either end. So means from right to left, left to right. What is the first one? From left to right, from means A to Z, A. But the first letter from right to left, that is Z to A, is Z. So AZ. So you have to write the combination of AZ. AZ means you can, to remember that AZ, you have to say A to Z. You have to say as A to Z. Okay. Next one, next combination. The second letter from the left to right is B, and the second letter from right to left is Y. Say BY. BY is that one. If you want to remember that one, don't by heart. So just remember, this is called, as per psychology, it is called red integration. A small things here. Boy. And so boy, you have B and Y, correct? Next one, the third letter from left to right is C, and the third letter from right to left is X. So CX. So if you want to remember, you have to remember that CX as COX, 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 or you can remember it as civics. Okay, then you have C and X. Next one, the fourth letter from the left to right is D, and the fourth letter from the right to left is W. So DW. So DW, if you want to remember that one, you have to simply remember as down. Clear? So when you remember that one as down, then simply you can say D and W. Otherwise, you can remember it as withdraw, withdraw. So in withdraw, you have DW. So W is there, correct? Next one, fifth one is E, and from the right to left is V. So EV. So very simple. Already you practice from 1 to 10th class textbooks for conceptual understanding. We have EVS, correct? So EVS is, so previously, now in the secondary education, so we have the subjects as social studies, biological science, physical science, correct? But from 6th and 7th classes, it is divided into social studies and physical sciences. But in elementary education, so all the sciences will be considered as one subject, means social studies, physical science, biological science, physics, chemistry, everything will be considered as EVS, environmental sciences. So maybe EVS is very well-known term to you. So in EVS, you have EV. Next one is the sixth letter is F, and from the right to left is U. So FU. FU you can remember as for you, correct? Next one GT. GT, you can remember GT as Gandhi Tata or Government of Telangana, correct? As your wish. HS, next one is high school. So when you take the high school, so high school you have H and S. Next one is IR. So IR you can remember as Indian Railways, correct? And the next one JQ, JQ can remember as jockey and queen. And the next one is KP, means you can remember it as 𝗂𝗽𝗱𝗁 or Pawan Kalyan, as you wish. And the next one is LO, next one is VE. If you remember LO, VE, the word, so LO are both the same positions, either end, and V and E are also on the same end. So like you can remember it. And MN, MN is moon, correct? So their moon, if you remember, and MN, and it's very clear. So when you write it as from A to Z, M stands 13th position, from Z to A, N stands 13th position. So like you can remember all these things. The position numbers either direction, means from A to Z or Z to A. When you remember it, then it is very simple to write the decoding and coding questions. Very simple you can get it. So the position numbers are very important. Okay, now we will see the next one. There is another technique called as EJOTY technique, simply EJOTY. We will say EJOTY technique. So E stands for 5, J stands for 10, O stands for 15, T stands for 20, and Y stands for 25. So if you want to know the position number, so now you can identify what is the position number for R, for example, if you want to know R. So simply from this, so you can group it A, B, C, D, E, one group, correct? F, G, H, I, J as one group. K, L, M, N, O, one group, that is 15. P, Q, R, S, T, one group. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, one group. Like you can, so by using EJOTY technique also, you can get the position numbers and you can recognize it. Okay, so the very important, now I am going to discuss what kind of questions are there. What the type of different kinds of questions, types of coding and decoding are. There are various types of coding and decoding questions that you will find in the competitive examination. And so the first one is letter to letter coding. So when you consider the letter to letter coding, means here some letters will be given. Okay, man is coded as XYT. Then what is the coding for that woman? They will ask it. Means here these letters are coded to some extent in some rule. By using some rule, some letter word will be given. So for the given word, what is the coded word? They will ask it. This is called letter to letter coding. The alphabets of word are coded using various operations such as addition, subtraction, interchanging, and so on. This method, coding and decoding, candidate must use the same method for the decode the another word. So same method, correct? Next one is letter to number coding. So letter will be coded as numbers. For example, A, B, C is coded as 1, 2, 3. What is X, Y, Z, for example, ask. So what the position of A is 1, position of B is 2, position of C is 3. So it is coded as 1, 2, 3. So you have to write the position for X, Y, Z. So we can write as 24, 25 and 26. So like letter to number coding. There is a second kind. The third one is substitutional coding. Means words are encrypted, are coded with the appropriate term in the form of coding and decoding. Correct? Apples are coded as red, mangoes are coded as yellow, like they will ask it is. So these words are encrypted with another word, so that is called substitutional coding. So this is the third kind. So the next one is LSN coding. Words from various statements are coded with the letters, symbols and numbers utilizing various procedures is called LSN coding. Means so some words is coded as another one. All men's are buckets. So some word, that word is maybe is given as some bucket. So here the word will be is converted into statements by using some symbols, some letters. So some other things will be added, that is called LS encoding. And the next one is conditional coding. So here a few procedures will be given for the coding and decoding. A condition will be given, means here, so we will left different things, means here alternately we will change it, and internally we will change the order, either ascending order or descending order, or right to left, left to right, increasing by +1 or increasing with +2, or jumping from right to left. All these things will be given as conditional. And the next one is clock coding. So clock code, generally in a clock we have 12 numbers, as you know it, from 1 to 12. So here the numbers will be given from 1 to 12. So there may be a cyclic expression is also there, correct? ABC, BCA, CAB, like this in clock coding also from 1 to 12 will be the numbers between 1 to 12 will be used for the coding. The next one is binary coding. As you know, binary means 2 digits. 2 digits, the 0 and 1 is considered as a binary. So the binary values such as 0 and 1 are used to encode the decimal numbers in the form of coding and decoding. Generally, to code and decode for the numbers which is in the form of decimals, that there we are using binary coding. Clear? So these are the various kinds of the codings. So the question may come any one of these 9 things. So definitely I will discuss one by one question for each kind of coding. Definitely it helps you to get the very good marks in the examination. The first one, in a certain code, missions is written as MSIISNOS. How is online written in that code? This is a question. MISSIONS. For the coding and decoding, the very important thing is the keen observation. Okay, and here if you observe it, M and S, the first and last letters for the both the words are same. So when you see that, here M, here S, correct? Here M, here S. In that the coded word also having the same M and S, means the extremes are same. Now the next one. So here this is IS, this one is SI, correct? IS, this one is SI, means inverted. Next one is SI, here IS, means these two letters also inverted. ON, NO. So there is a rule, you have to understand that. There is a rule, the first and last letters of the word remain same, no change. In between the words in pair, they inverted, means they interchange the positions. IS changes to SI, SI changes to IS, ON changes to NO. Is it clear? Now by using this, you can write the coded word online. So what you have to do? Online means you have to keep O and E fixed, no change in the position, correct? Okay. Now NL will be interchanged, means LN. Okay. IN will be interchanged, means NI. Means the word is ON, correct? OLNNIE. So if it is very clear, option 1 is the answer, correct? So like you have to identify the correct option. This is a coded word for the given word online. So in MISSIONS, what happened here? The first and last extreme letters remain same. The middle letters in pair, they are interchanged. The same principle will be applied to the online, and we got the answer OLNNI. Clear? Okay, we will see one more example. Means already I collected all the questions from the previous examinations. I am going to discuss here. Definitely it gives the idea. The very important instruction to all the aspirants means here, first you have to solve all the previous examination papers, then you will come to an idea what kind of questions they are giving, what is the standard of the question, how the questions are framed. Once you understand, then it is easy to get through the examination. Clear? Okay. Now we will see in the next one. In a certain code, TIGER, tiger, is written as QDFHS. How is FISH, fish, will be written in that code? Okay. Now observe it, TIGR. Okay. What is the relation between T and Q? Is there any relation? No. But if you see that the last letter of tiger is R, correct? Okay. And the first letter for the QDFHS is Q. In the alphabets you can understand PQR means the next letter to Q is R. For that reason, so here tiger is there, you know. So tiger, TIGER. You have to write in reverse order, means REGIT. Write in reverse order, REGIT. Clear? Okay. So means you have written from right to left. Then, so what is the letter here? It's very clear. So when you see that, what is the previous letter to R? Means -1. Previous letter to R, PQR, so Q. Previous letter to E is D. Previous letter to G means FG, correct? F. And previous letter to I, GHI, means previous letter is H. And previous letter to T, PQRST, so S. So FQDFHS, this is the coded word. Understand? So means tiger is coded as QDFHS. Means how it is coded, means the tiger is written in reverse order, means like REGIT. Then so it moved to the previous letter. So R is moved to previous letter, that is Q, E is moved to previous letter D, G is moved to previous letter H, I is moved to previous letter H, and T is moved to S. So the same principle will be applied to the fish. So first FISH. What is the first step? You have to write in reverse order. HSIF, correct? Then move to the each one with previous one. H. What is the previous one to H? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So G will come. S. P, Q, R, S. The previous letter to S, P, Q, R, S. So R. What is the previous letter to I is H. What is the previous letter to F is E. Correct? So then you can GRHE. Is there GRHE? So this is the second letter. So very simple. So in this manner you have to find the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next one. In certain code, frozen is written as OFAPSG. Then how would you molten be written in that code? So this is the question was given in the previous examination. Frozen, correct? Okay. Again in the same method, if you observe it, KLMNO, the next letter. So what you have to do means that simply write it as frozen, FROZEN, correct? Then reverse order NEZORF. Previous to this one, N is KLMN, correct? So this is a given NO, next letter means +1. NO, EF, F, Z. After Z, A will come. O, KLMNO, P will come. After R, PQR, S will come. So F, means G will come. 𝗂𝗑𝗃𝗃, correct? The question is same. Now what you have to do in the same method? Molten, MOLTEN. So you have to write first NETLOM. So you have to increase the means next letter. Previous question is previous one, now is the next one. So here N, KLMNO, EF, STU, KLM, LM, KLMNOP, KLMNO. So OFUMPO, correct? So here what is a KLMN, this is N, correct? So OFUMPN, this is the answer. Third option is the correct answer. Clear? Okay. So the next question you will say it, if in the English alphabet every alternate letter from B onwards is written as in small letters while other are written in capitals, then how will the third day from Tuesday will be coded? So here A, B, C, like if you write it as B here, the B is a capital, C is a small, and D is a capital, E is a small, F is a capital, like when you write it, and so on. What is the given if third day from Tuesday? Third day from Tuesday. So after Tuesday, what is the next one? Wednesday, next Thursday, third day will be Friday. So here this question is a very simple to all of you. Means here there is only one Friday. This is the answer. You can say the Friday is the correct answer for it. Clear? Okay. Now we will move to the next one. In a certain code, certain is coded as BFQZJM. How is the MUNDA and E coded in that code? It's a very simple. So if you see that C, so is given CERTAIN, BFQUZJM is given. So my sincere request to all of you means here, just like you have to write this word and the coded word below that word, then it is a very simple to you. C means previous one is B, means -1. E, correct? Previous one to F is E. This is -1. This is C previous one. Here this is +1. Here -1 +1. Here PQ is -1. This is +1. This is -1. This is +1. Correct? This is -1. So you have to write in the same manner. What is the given one? M, U, N, D, A, N, E. The first one is previous to M, K, L, M. So L will come. Next, after U, what will come? U, V. So V will come. N, so previous one M. D, after then E. A. So here what is here? It's this is after. This is a previous one. Means the previous one means what is Z. Clear? And N after the K, L, M, and O. And E, the previous one. So L, V, M, E, Z, O, D. This is the answer. So here you can say -1 +1. -1 +1 comes alternately. Means previous one, next one comes alternately. In this manner, you can find the answer. Here. Now we will see the next one. In a certain code, sequence is coded as FDOFVRFT. How is children coded in that code? This is a given information. So once again, so the previous one means a sequence SEQUENCE. It is coded as means FD means here. So what you have to write the same word from right to left. That is ECNEUQES. Then you have to write the next letter. E to next letter is F. C to next letter is D. Next letter to N is O. Next letter to E is F. next letter to U is V, next letter to Q is Q, correct, PQR, next letter E is F, and next letter S is T. Just next letters in the same manner. You have to write children, CHILDREN. What you have to do means here you have to write in reverse order, means NERDLIHC. Now you have to write the next KLMNO, EF, PQRS, DE, LMM, IJ, HICD. Correct? Means it's very clear. OFSEMJID. Option 2 is correct. Like you can get the answer a very simple manner. Now coming to the next kind of question, using a particular code. Already I gave the various kinds of coding and decoding questions now. Here this is the another kind of question, that is using particular code of numbers and letters. In the previous questions you have only letters. Now numbers and letters will be coded here in the form, means numbers are coded in terms of words here. So that is 134 stands for good and tasty, 478 stands for see good pictures, and 729 stands for pictures are faint. So here 134, 478, in these two you have 4, correct? Here good and tasty, see good pictures, you have good, means you can say good stands for 4. First one. Next, so when you see that one more here, 478, when you take 478 stands for see good pictures, 729 stands for pictures are faint, means here in this you have pictures, in this we have 7. So 7 pictures means 7. Okay, so what is the required one here? Which of the following these are used to see? See good pictures means here good we decoded as 4, pictures you have decoded as 7. So the total is decoded as 478. Then what is the letter or number represents C? C is 4, correct? Okay, so here see, this is 478, 47, so C is coded as 8. So 8 is the answer. So means you can say C is 8. Like coding is very important. Means here the numbers are coded the words, or numbers coded as words. So you have to identify. This one is very simple. So this kind of questions will come in the examination. We will see another. Taking a particular code, preach is coded to 961473. Rose is written as 6821. Chair is encrypted as 73456. Then how will you write such? So here the each letter here, these numbers are not position numbers, just the letters are coded as a numbers. That's a very important. Okay, now we'll check it how you are going to code. So here PREACH, P is 9 here, R is 6, E is 1, A is 4, like. So now we are going to search for it. So S. So where is S here in this? Is there any S here? Now rose. So S is 2. So search, you have to write R search. S is 2. Next, E, rose 1. A, here peach 4. 214 is common here, 2 more, correct? And R here, what is R here? Preach, R is 6, correct? Very simple, no need to check all this. 214673 is the answer. Like you can code it. So we'll check one more. So this is called coding and decoding, including series combination is there. So now observe it, ELFA, GLHA, ILJA, ML and A. So if you see that the second letter and the fourth letter same, LA, 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 LA. So we have the 4 letters now. We have 4 letters. Among the 4 letters, second and fourth are same. Means this is L and this one is A. This is fixed. Next, now see the first and third. EF, GH, here IL, the last one is MN. EF, correct? EF, GH, IJ, MN. So there is an order, it's a pair couple, it is EF, GH, IJ, next you have to write KL. So means next MN, these are the pairs. So here what? The first one is K and the third one is L. So what is the answer here? KLLA is the answer. In this manner you have to find the answer. This is a very, very important. Clear? Okay, we will check one more. Now the number in the question below is to be coded in the following code. So digits are given 5, 3, 7, 1, 4, 9, 6, 2, 8. Letters C are C, J, O, X and Q, T, Z, F is given. Then you have to find the code for 1, 6, 3, 5, 4, 2. You have to code it. So now we have to compare. Comparison is very important. Now see it. So here what is here 1. 1 is here. What is the letter here? X. 1 is X. So 1, 6, 3, 5, 4, 2. 6. So 6 stands here 6 to 8 no T. XT. Next 3 stands to J. 5 stands to C. 4 stands to N. And 2 stands to Z. X, T, J, C and Z. Yeah, these are answer. Clear? Like just comparison, just compare it, you will get the code. So means here this is a number 2 letters. So number 2 letter coding. Clear? Okay. Now we will see one more. So it's called operations is connected, this one. P means division, T means addition, M means subtraction, D means multiplication. Then what will be the value of the following expression? So here just now previously already I said different kinds of the questions. The operations are coded as with symbols. Coded as symbols. Here it is given 12M, 12D, 28P, PTF means. What is the given information first? P means division. So here we have to write 12, 12, 28, 7, correct? 15. Between 12 and 12 you have M. M means subtraction, means here 12 minus 12. The next, and 12, 28 we have D. D stands for, D means multiplication. These are multiplication. Okay. And the next P. P means division, 28 divided by 7. And the next one is we have to, between 7 and 15 you have T. T means addition. Now by using Bo'damas rule, actually for mathematics background aspirants knows the Bo'damas rule. Otherwise in 6th class, 6th standard, this Bo'damas rule used in the number system in algebra also. That's first you have to take the 28 divided by 7 is how much? 4. Means you can say 12 minus 12 into 4 plus 15. Correct? Okay. What is 12 4s? 48. Means 12 minus 48 plus 15. 15 plus 12 is 27. 27 minus 48 which is minus 27. So minus 21 is the answer. Minus 21 is the answer. You have to consider B is answer. So, like operations are decoded here. We will check one more with the different perspective. That is, in certain language, a violet is called as green, green is called red, red is called brown, brown is called orange, orange is called yellow, yellow is called blue, blue is called indigo. Then what is the color of the human blood in the language? So, this is the best example to all of you. Don't get any kind of confusion. So, very simple. Read the question with a cool mind. So, what is the human blood color? Red. So, here it is very clear. Red is, what is the red information here given? See it. What is the color of human? Red, you know, orange, and yellow is called blue, and blue is called red. Okay, red. Red is called brown. So, first one is what is the given information, and orange is, it's so clear enough. So, human blood is red color and red is called brown. See, green is called red, red is called brown. So, human blood is red. So, it's a brown, and brown is called orange, and orange is called yellow, yellow is called blue, and blue is called indigo. So, simply you call it as red is called is brown. So, brown is the answer. In this manner, you can get the answer in a very simple manner. So, don't feel, because sometimes the question is a little bit of lengthy, but read the question, use the presence of mind, definitely you will get the answer. So, we will see one more. In a certain language, Madras is coded as NBESBT, then how is Bombay is coded in that language? So, Madras is coded M. So, when you take it as Madras MADRAS, this one is coded as NBESBT, means all are next letters, means after M, KLMN, AB, DE, RS, ABS to next letter you have to write it. Bombay, BOMBAY. After B will come C, O, KLMNO, P, MN, BC, AB, YZ. So, CPN, CBZ is the answer. So, in this manner, you can get the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now, we will see one more. That is a corner, CORNER is written as GSVRIV. Then how can central will be written in the code? So, this is, we will see how it is. CORNER. Correct? It is given GSVRIV. So, very important. So, previous questions are immediately next are either preceding or succeeding letters, but here it is not preceding, succeeding. So, what is the relation between C and G? See that. So, here C, so after C, D, E, F. Between C and D, G, you have 3 letters. You have 3 letters. So, correct means +3 it is. Even if you check for O, if you to OS, P, Q, K, L, M and O. So, P, Q, R. Between O and S, we have 3 letters. Means you have to write 3. So, you have to follow the same rule for the next. Central, CENTRAL. So, if you want to find the same rule, means next 3 letters. After C means here D, E, E, F. Correct? So, okay. Oh, this is given, you know, central. So, it is clear G. Next, E means F, G, H. I will come. N, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R will come. T, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X will come. R, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V will come. A, B, C, D, leave it, B means E will come. And L, K, L, M, M, and O, P will come. So, G, I, R, X, V, E, P. The very careful observation, keen observation is very important. Definitely, you will get the answer, the required answer. Clear? Okay, we will see one more. So, here certain quote 329 means God is love. 927 means love is beautiful. Then what is the God? What is the code for God? See, 329 means God is love. So now we will write it. God is love. Given as 329. Okay, 329. One more word is given. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. What is the number is given? 927. Okay, how God is related? Here now observe it. Here the love, here the also love. You have 9 here. We have 9 here. Okay. Next, see here love is. Here also love is. Correct? So 2 and 9 goes to these two. 2 and 9. It's very here also 2 and 9, here 2 and 9. So means 2 and 9 give consent to is love. Then what is the remaining here? God. So what is the letter represent? 3 represents the God. That's it. Clear? In this manner, you can find the answer for it. Okay. Now we will see one more. So the 𝗹𝗁𝗧 is coded as 1357. GAIN is coded as 2468. Then what is the figure 84615 stands for? So 𝗹𝗁𝗧, from this you can say 84615. What is 8 here? See it. This is 8N. What is 4 here? Okay, here 4 is second letter A. What is 6 here? 6 means here it is I. What is 1 here? Is G. What is 5 here? 5 is I. Okay, so yeah. So 8 means N, correct? And 4 means 4. 4 is A, correct? And the next one is 6. 6 is the third letter I, correct? Okay. And the last one is okay, 1. Here 1 is, what is 1 here? 1 is here L. This is L. This is L. And the last one 5 means here S. It is nails simply. NAILS. In this way, you can code the thing. Cat is coded as 3120. What code number can be given? NAVIN. Okay. Cat. So means it is very clear. So you can say answer very simple. So you can find the answer directly. If you know the position number, that's the reason I am requesting to all of you for all the group 1 service aspirants. So you have to remember these position numbers of alphabets. See, the position number of C is 3, position number of A is 1, the position number of T is 20. Correct? Position number is 20. So that's the reason if you know the position numbers, you can get the values of K, L, M, N. So position numbers, M is 13, so A is 14. So the position number for N is 14, A is 1, okay, K, L, M, N. So if you take it as V, I, so see it A, B, C, D. Now you can say already I said. So A, B, C, D, this is E, this is 5. F, G, H, I, J. Here J is 10. So what is the position of I here? Correct? Okay, V, I, N. What the position of this is 9. Okay. J, K, L, M, N, O means N is 14. That's already 14 as written. And P, Q, R, S, T. This is 20. T is 20. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Correct. Means here this is V means 22. Means 22. So we can say 14, 12, 22, 9 and 14. This is the coded value for it, means the position number. So this is very important. So for that reason, so you have to follow all these things. The one more here thing is given, if B is 2, mat is 34, then what is Joglex? JOGLEX. What is the Joglex value? So B is given as 2, very clear. Is it given the position number? Mat, so here 24. So now already I said, mat, if you take it as MAT, the position value M is 13, the position value A is 1, the position value is T is 20, 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus 30 is 34, correct? Means just adding. Now you have to find the Joglex, JOGLEX. What is the position value of J? Is 10. Plus what is the position value of O? The previously I said A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and O. The position of O is already EJOTY. EJOT means that this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20 and this is 25. So you know that. So the G value here, what is the G value? So G value is 7. Already to remember G value is 7 because 7 is there. So it is 7. So what is the O value? 15. O value is 15. G value is 7. L value KLM means it is a IJ. L is 12 and E is 5. 10 plus 15 25, 25 plus 7 is 32, 32 plus 12 44, 44 plus 5 49. 49 is the answer. Like you can get the answer. Clear? So like another one, if blue means pink, pink means green, green means yellow, yellow means red, red means white, then what is the color of turmeric? It's a given. So blue means pink, pink means green, green means yellow. So here what is the color of turmeric? In general it is yellow. What is yellow? Yellow means red. So our answer is red. Simple. Clear? Okay. And now I am going to conclude that. So I collected all the previous examination questions and I discussed all those things, and now I am going to give the few things that is the books which are going to prepare for it. So some books for your preparation, for fruitful preparation for it. So a new approach to reasoning by B.S. 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 and 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧. This is one book, very good book for. Next, analytical reasoning by M.K. Pandey and multi-dimensional reasoning by Mishra and Kumar, Dr. Lal, and reasoning book for competitive examination by Pearson. These are the few books which are useful to prepare for the examination. I hope you will prepare all these books, and especially when you follow our TSAT classes, definitely you will get a good rank in this prelims examination, and we may qualify for the mains examination. I hopefully you will become one of the Group 1 services selected candidate. Thank you.